What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome once again. I'm on a journey. It's apparently a 5-minute hike to a waterfall and basin. Ooh, check out the little bridge. It's very still here, not a breath of wind is blowing. If you look at the trees, everything is still. And I'm just running through the track. Unfortunately, I cannot stay to enjoy the water. I'm on a time crunch. But it'll be fun to check it out. And if it is worth the return, I will take a swim in that water another time. But from what I was told, it is worth it. I don't know if it's my ears playing tricks on me, but I think I hear water. It's so warm and mucky right now. It is hot in this place. Sun is hiding behind the clouds and it's very overcast today. Not only that, the past couple of days, if not over a week now, we've been having Sahara dust, so you can feel it in the air. Yeah, you can hear lots of birds, you can hear some water, but we are trekking on. Trekking on. Wow, there's so many side roads. Need to remember, stay on the mud road. So I'm here with the man Freddy Krueger. He's leading the charge up front, leading the way down this monstrosity. And yeah, what goes up must come down. I'm looking forward to that part. Woohoo! Check this out. Yep, I could hear the water much louder now. Yeah, almost there, I think. So why am I on a time crunch? I need to get home. But I was told by a guy, yeah, you're looking for a particular waterfall. It's like right here, 5 minutes away. I think that was a little over 5 minutes. Let me see on the GoPro. 4 minutes and change. We did good. Whoa. And folks, there it is. That is it. I could see the typical tiny fish, crayfish. Yeah, folks, this is it. Made it to the waterfall. Wow. So let's follow the water back up and then come back down. Do it quickly, quickly, quickly. All right. So here, not so much a waterfall, but water cascading. Now this is where it gets tricky, because normally when you come to a place like this, you see one section and then there's a little beyond. You always want to see what's beyond. So, time crunch or not, I'm not gonna let my curiosity get the best of me. Let's take a quick look. Alright, that should be fine enough. Lots of bamboo. And we have water collected in one pool. So there's another pool this way where the bamboo has fallen. And I can see lots of fish swimming. Time crunch, back to the main one. Oh, watch it, bamboo. So I'm just guesstimating that the water came through this area with great force back in the days. Maybe not so much now. But yeah, this must have been amazing. All right. Stretch. Okay, so that water comes from the top where the bamboos fell in. created a little pool, cascade down, created another little pool, cascading down this way. What is that in the water? I don't know. See something weird in the water. Alright. Time crunch. Can't investigate now. And that water comes in here into another pool. And then from this pool cascades down banana leaf. Ooh, cascades down this area. Cascades down this way. Wow. So we have a basin here, another larger basin this way. See this side, hop over this way. So I see what appears to be a fall right there. Let's go check it out. Time crunch, time crunch. Going down this way. Leap. Come down, this way. Leap. Down this way. And then it cascades this way. Yep, definitely this is worth checking out, coming back to. So the water just keeps on cascading, 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 cascading. Oh man, I'm so tempted to just go down there. But nope, time crunch. So yeah, I'll definitely be back this way. Woo! Beautiful. All right, back to the top. Beautiful basin right there. It's calling my name, but I'll be back. You bet your tush, I will be back. All right. I don't want to slip and slide on the moss right here, so beautiful basin right here. Whoa, this place is gorgeous. All right, back up top, up the steep hill. Man. Just to give you an idea what I'm faced with right now. Being on the time crunch sucks, but gotta do what you gotta do. Ooh. I feel it in my legs. Holy crap. Oh, yo. This is no joke. Less than 5 minutes down. It definitely take longer going up. Holy moly. Whew. Wow. Let's go. Whew, all right, almost at the start point. So an out of breath me is gonna close it out for now. I wanna thank you for watching. How to waterfall in a time crunch. That's what I'm calling this one. I'll definitely be back so I could capture some more of it. But yeah, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm out of breath. No shame. Yeah, as always, like, share, subscribe if you want to. It's all up to you. I'll be doing this more often. Well, not the waterfalls in a time crunch. No, I'll chill at the waterfall. So until then, get control of your body. Take time for your mind. Love yourself first so you can love others. As always, peace. Yes.